Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and in today's video I will be giving you an exclusive look at my YouTube setup. Now this setup is something which is specifically tailored for beauty videos. So this video is actually meant for beauty creators like me, but again something is there for everyone. So if you watch the video you will know what is preferable for you. And also if you're watching me for the first time, go subscribe to my channel. I make videos on skincare and makeup. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's start with my backdrop setup. Now as you see on the back, you'll see a very wide screen. Now what is it exactly and how am I putting it up? Basically this is the hall that I'm sitting, the living room of my house, and I'm dividing it into half by placing this backdrop that I have behind, and then I use half of the living room to shoot my video. I need a little space, so this is how I make my setup. So this backdrop is basically a white colored wrinkle free cloth that I bought from Amazon. What you can call it a wrinkle free curtain which is used as a backdrop. So basically having a white backdrop actually makes you have that focus, the clean focus that you need to show the colors of your makeup or any skincare product also for that matter. So if you like something like this, then this is perfect for you. Again, it was not very expensive as well when I purchased it few years back, but right now I don't know the current price, but I'll leave the link in the description so you can go check it out. Now just having the white curtain is not enough. You need a backdrop stand to place the curtain, and this backdrop stand that I have, I'll leave the link in the description. It is a beautiful one, a huge one. You can extend it as much as you want, and also I'll leave all the dimensions of this in the description so you can go check them out, or I'll put it on the screen because I'm not sure right now if it's 8 feet or 9 feet and I don't want to give you any misinformation. So yeah, it's extendable, very heavy actually, but it comes with the convenient carry bag which is easy to pack up the whole backdrop stand into it, and then you can just carry it around with you whenever you want to go for any outdoor shoots as well. Then coming to my camera setup. So for filming my videos, previously I used to rely on the Canon G7X Mark II. I still have it, so it's a great camera for both sit down videos and vlogs as well. I'll leave the link in the description, but recently I upgraded my camera as well. So right now I'm using the Sony ZV-E10, and this is my first purchase of a new camera. Canon G7X Mark II was a second-hand camera, but this one, the Sony ZV-E10, is a newly purchased camera. Again, I ordered it from Amazon only with the kit lens, and it's a superb camera. It's a beautiful camera. Ever since I've used this camera, my video qualities have actually improved. You can go and check my few of the recent videos. You'll know the difference about it, so I don't even have to explain to you about this. But yeah, it's a beautiful camera. Also, the main thing about this camera is the autofocus, which is amazing. It can defocus your background, and that is what a beauty creator needs. When I click product shots or any makeup shot or anything, this is what I actually need. Also, it's very lightweight, convenient, and overall a best camera you can have. Next is, how do you mount the camera? You need to mount it on a tripod, so you need a camera tripod, and for that I have the DIGITEK one which I ordered from Amazon again. Now what this makes is, it makes your camera to be steady and stabilized specifically. Now stabilizing the camera is very important so that you have a very steady shot. There's no shakiness in the video, and for that the tripod stand is very important. I went for the DIGITEK one. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link to this product in the description so you can go check it out. Also, it's adjustable to a certain height, and that is the reason you can actually move your camera as per your choice. You can even bend it down, move it left, right, center, so that way it's actually very helpful even when you're going for outdoor shoots. Next comes the lighting setup, which is very important. Now right now let me show you something. This is a remote to my ring light, and if I put it off, this is how I look. Now this is the natural lighting that I'm getting at my home. The windows are right in front of me, but this is the only light I can get because I've shut the window panes so that there's no noise disturbance. But this is not enough, right? For a beauty creator like me, this is definitely not enough. And then that is the time when the ring light comes in hand, and this is what it looks like. This is the white light. You can also make it warm, and this is how the warm color looks like. It actually gives you very yellowness to your skin, which is not appropriate because I want to show you natural colors. So this is how the white color looks like. Again, you can dim the light and you can even increase the intensity of the light, and it comes with a remote as well, which was very easy and convenient for me sitting here doing it, because the ring light is really far from my face and going there and actually operating it is going to be very fussy because there are a lot of wires here and I don't want to fall on them. So a remote is the best thing you could have for your ring light. Now, after I've given you all of the information, let me tell you which ring light I'm using. I'm using the Osaka ring light. Again, this is available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go check it out. But with the ring light, you again need another stand to make the light stay on it. And again, the stand is something that has to be very convenient so that you can bend your light, move it here, there, right, left and center. For that, I'm using the Tamron light stand that I have. Also, I'll leave the link to the product in the description. Now coming to again very important thing, that is your audio setup. Now if you see, I'm wearing a mic here. This is a lapel mic that I have. This is by the brand BOYA BYM1 mic, lavalier mic, that you will find easily on Amazon, leaving the link in the description. It is not a wireless mic, it is a wired mic. I have actually attached my wire to the camera, and the whole wire setup is lying down here, and I have pinned it here to my t-shirt. But this is the convenient mic. It's going to be long lasting. Battery khatam ho jayega, you can put a new battery, but it's very convenient and affordable compared to the wireless mics that are available, because I've seen they don't have the jack that you need, the 3.5mm jack which my camera needs to attach the mic, and plus those are not so much long lasting, they get spoiled. I haven't read good reviews of them, and if you actually want to invest in a very good one, it's very expensive, not affordable. At least for me as a beginner, it's definitely not recommended, because you don't have to invest too much. So always invest a little bit, not too much. I also took a lot of years to actually have and build this setup that I have right now. I slowly took on little things, so don't jump to buy all the expensive things that I'm telling you. This is just a reference to help all the creators out there who really need it, because as a creator I did not have this help. I actually had to make my own purchase, risk it, test and then learn. So I'm just providing the easiest cheat code to you, so that it's easier for you to be as a creator. So that was my YouTube setup for my beauty videos that you see every day on my channel. It's very simple, not too many things here. Also, if you see that plant behind, it's just a fake plant decor that I have. Again, I'll leave the link for this if you want in the description. And yeah, that's all about my setup. The whole lighting and the camera and the audio, these three elements are very important in your setup, so make sure those three things are good. But if you have an iPhone or a good camera in your mobile phone also, you can use it. It's the best to start and then upgrade. Even I started with an iPhone camera, later on upgraded, so you can do the same. For the ring light, you can go and invest in a cheaper ring light as well. You don't need a 18-inch one, but if you can, go for it. This is the best one and it lasts you good. Osaka is a good brand as well. For camera, Sony is the best, I would feel right now. I'm really loving my new camera and it's my first purchase, so it's definitely special to me. Okay, so that's all guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.